What's going on, everyone? Cody, what do we have going on today?
Dyno Day.
Dyno Day.
Yep. So just last minute shrub clearing, but I think we're gonna have a good turnout. Last year we did 22 cars, and this year it was probably gonna be 30, maybe 40.
I was about to say, we had a good response on Facebook,
yeah. And
I know a lot of people were talking about it last night. I'm excited. This is my first year being here, and I know we've got some stuff set up, so I'm gonna go take them as a quick little peek of what we're gonna do. So
shop cars.
Shop cars, we've got the Sidewinder project out and about so people can see it. Then we've got the two NSXs out here. We're gonna have a little bit of parking out here, but I think there's something in the distance you guys can kind of really get to see. Head here. What? There he is, pulling up in the Mustang. Backing up next to the NSXs. Here though, you guys get to see the Repu, not just sitting underneath a lift. Kind of really see everything about it. We've already had a lot of people come by and stop and check out the truck and say how bad it is, of course, but out here for everyone to see and bask in its glory. God, this thing is so cool. I just can't wait to finally get more parts moving so we can work on it. Again, I know, so I'll flip this around. I know that there's a lot going on. Track Dad's over here with the Mustang.
Yeah, I thought there was gonna be a crowd of people, so I brought the Mustang.
So, I mean, yeah. You've got to populate control. Well, no, it's funny because everyone we were talking to yesterday, they were like, all right, we'll see you at noon. And Cody's like, starts at 11. So everyone's like, we'll be there at noon, even though it starts at 11.
Well,
so
fashionably late.
But they must be part Italian. We're gonna, hopefully our Italian viewers don't see. Oh, and here's Rex. Here's Bryce. Park on over here. Yeah, it's okay.
Probably just dock.
Yeah, basically. I was about to say, let's see if you still Rob.
Dyno one end at a time. Then he had him up. Right there?
Yeah.
No wrong.
Unless you want to park next to the Repu so no one parks next to you so no one scratches you.
I'll move.
But, right, overall today, hopefully a lot of people are gonna come through. We're gonna do a lot of dynos. Again, proceeds go to the Buckley Emergency Services. We're gonna have a bunch of people out, food. I'm gonna get the drone up in the air, so that'll be super cool. And this should be a fun day, so let's get into it. Bill's the first one with his truck. This is a fair warning I'm just giving you guys right now. I've got to help him organize and do some of this stuff and film and do a bunch of other things. So I hope I'm going to do a decent job of capturing everything. So don't hold me to it too much if I don't. But let's get back into it. What are you doing?
Well,
what?
we're spinning on the dyno, so this is the owner.
I was gonna say Michael, right? Yep. Just gotta get everyone in there, huh? Making sure you all fit so it doesn't spin. All right. Let's go for a good rip. Track Dad bringing in his Mustang.
Smell that?
Yeah. I mean, it's kind of hard not to smell it right here.
Fourth. Now we got heat in them, we'll be good.
I was gonna say, Track Dad's Mustang, here we go. Yeah, 315, 253. Okay, I saw this as you pulled it in. What do we have here?
It's 2004 Saturn Ion Redline. It's got a ZZP tune on it, and all the bolt-ons and full exhaust.
I was about to say, look at this on the inside.
Corn juice, 85.
Corn juice.
2.7 inch fully on it. So
Give me a tug.
it's a fun little machine. Screams, supercharger's loud on this thing.
I was about to say, I bet it is.
It's loud.
What do you,
There you go.
I mean, have you had it like tuned and everything before?
I had ZZP Dyno a couple years ago. I made 284 to the
284?
wheels. 284,
Wow.
yep.
This will be interesting to see. I'm excited to see this thing go.
Dropping from there. Now we did 267 and 249.
All right.
So superchargers, they just get hot.
Yeah. All right, Isaac, we've got your Fiesta ST. What's going on with this thing?
S280 turbo, stock fuel, 14 psi wastegate, complete full bolt-on stock fuel, like I said. So we'll see what it makes. Hoping 300 plus at least. My goal is maybe 315 wheel.
Okay. And you said you're on, like, are you on 93 right now and you're not running E30?
I'm on E30.
Oh, you're on E30
It's
right
actually
now?
a third revised E32, and so it's not completely finished, but I mean, it's pretty close.
I was about to say, I know that you've had some good, you've had some good numbers with this before, so let's see what it does
Yeah,
right now.
excited.
All right, Adam, how has it been running since we did the tuning a while ago?
It's been very good.
Yeah?
I feel super fortunate.
Well, I was about to say, now you're just running it for fun?
Pretty much.
All right.
We'll see how it does.
Get it up to fourth gear.
Wait, you told me to come over here and start filming. What the hell are we doing?
Well, we're putting Andy's Dodge on the web.
Okay.
It's,
I mean, it's a truck. How big could it be?
well, the dyno's 108 inches wide. His tires are also 108 inches wide.
How? Okay, I guess I misinterpreted. How big is this thing?
38 inches.
Jesus. Okay. Now I see why you wanted me to film this. Okay.
Take it pretty much all the way up. All yellow is there, so don't float off.
All right,
Thanks, man.
let's see what this is gonna be then. If you've got to have this all the way up. So this is why he was concerned about the size. Now I see why you were concerned. Look at that fit right there. I don't know if this is supposed to be like that, but we're gonna roll with it.
Just what odds all the internals on the trans. But look.
All right, after multiple minutes of getting this thing strapped and ready to go, let's see what it's got.
That's right where I thought. That was only 3,500 RPM. It's got more.
Sweet Jesus.
Hey guys, outside, because if we scatter a rod, it's going that way.
So, Where am I okay back there?
That's probably the best spot.
Okay. Okay. Is it really making 1188?
That's what it's making.
That's. So that's true.
You're on the outside.
Okay.
The outside, then film him. That's nitrous.
Okay.
He's spraying nitrous at it.
Jesus.
Is that necessary?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. You have lights on and it's pitch black.
You have 100 horsepower.
How much?
100 horsepower.
1221.
Dude, it's fun. It's fun. So,
1650.
that was fun.
Hey Benoit.
Yeah.
So we're doing your Jeep?
Yeah.
All right. Didn't you do one last year? What did you do last year?
Last year I had F100 56.
That was to say the project that's now done.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So
yeah.
what do you think it's gonna make here?
Anything over 200, I'll be happy. Probably 220.
Anything over 200? Do you think you're hoping for 220?
Yeah.
Well, I was about to say here. What? What's in this? I don't know. What's in it?
Small black Chevy 327 from a 6.8 Camaro.
Is it
Let's say, do we have to be worried about this thing shooting?
Clean up on 901.
extinguishers there?
We don't need it.
203.
That puppy. This thing probably moves.
I was gonna say when he took me for a ride, it puts you back.
You want to do another one or no? I don't want to break it.
It's not 220, but you hit over 2.
Yeah.
We'll take it. Almost 300 torque though.
Yeah.
Look at that.
There you go.
I was gonna say I'd be happy.
Did a little better than the Ford. Last year.
I was gonna say. So we got really bored and we were like, hey Mitch, how about we do your car? So we're gonna do my car. Oh, but don't let it fool you though. That ST bumper, it's definitely not an ST. It is a regular base Focus. It's a 2.0. I'm guessing 130 to the wheels. I think it's like rated from factory at like 160. So I could be wrong. We're gonna find out though. So let's see how this goes. What do you think my car's gonna do?
75.
75. Yeah. 152 and 138.
Not bad.
Not bad for being rated at 160. It is now officially done. Dyno Day has been a complete. There was 13 cars that we ended up getting through. A couple of fun teachers, obviously. You just saw we do Benoit's car and my car, but we've got a couple of people left over. Gonna do a bonfire. Cody, what were your thoughts on the day?
I'm tired.
As I say, you've been all over the
But
place.
we were actually done pretty early. Last year I think we went to like 7.
Was it?
Yeah. So no complaints. It was good. Good day. The diesel gave me some. Speaking of diesel,
Yeah.
I was nervous about the diesel. I was expecting either shrapnel or broken straps. So
I was gonna say, yeah, that was definitely a wild one. And then Track Dad over there supporting so much, doing straps, everything. Strap guy.
strap dad.
Strap Dad to Track Dad. So, what was your favorite one to see?
I really love the SSTs, so I love the fact that we had 2 of them on there.
Yeah.
They did
They were ripping it up pretty good.
Yeah.
They really impressed me.
Yeah. So I was happy with those, and I was glad that you were able to make it and bring out the Mustang, because I've never seen the Mustang. And you held your own. Car-wise, you were number 2.
Yeah.
I mean,
Second place without like adding turbo.
exactly. So I was quite surprised. I didn't realize it was going to put like almost 400 foot-pounds of torque. So I thought that was really cool.
That's pretty difficult.
It's a shame Charlie's NSX wasn't dyno ready.
Yeah, that would have been fun to see. Okay, my lady, which one was your favorite?
I gotta say the Focus actually blew some expectations today.
That's
So-
what I was thinking too. Do you see that? That's a supportive lady right there. The least horsepower made of any vehicles, and she still chose mine. Take that, suckers. But seriously, which one was your favorite?
Probably, because I'm real good at these things, the big red truck.
The big red truck.
Only because everyone was freaking out about it and I thought someone might die.
Yeah, you.
No, that was kind of my thought. I thought,
Yeah.
That's why you had me stay away.
I was like, guys, it's like 10 years ago, I had a customer truck who spent all the money in all the places he shouldn't have. Didn't spend money where he should. And let's just say I blew a fender off when a rod let go. Well, more than one rod. So I'm like freaking out thinking, we're going to spit a rod or something. Guys, you need to be outside. Because I don't want a rod go through someone's head. Thankfully, there wasn't even any grease.
Hey guys, watch this. That's what it felt.
Yeah, and then Mike started spraying freaking nitrous out of a raw bottle.
Yeah,
But nobody died,
no one died.
so good job, Andy.
die?
Yeah, there's always next
Always
year.
next year.
Always
Probably
next
gonna
year.
be more of them next year.
Yeah.
Let's not hopefully.
Stock up on the nitrous.
Stock up on the
Murphy's I also was.
Yeah, we're gonna need that after that one.
Yeah.
But
Ooh, that thing took off.
as we'll say, yeah, it is. We're gonna enjoy a fire and just talk about cars and drink some beers.
Coke.
Coke. There's no Jack in it.
Oh, we jack.
We see, yeah, exactly. So we'll see you guys on the next one.